As much of the automotive world races toward full electrification, Mazda is taking a different and deeply calculated path. Instead of abandoning gasoline engines, the Japanese automaker is refining them to a level many engineers once believed was no longer possible. For 2026 and 2027, Mazda is preparing one of the most ambitious combustion programs in modern automotive history. The introduction of the Skyactiv Z engine, a next-generation power plant designed around the concept of ideal combustion. This is not a mild update, it is a fundamental rethink of how gasoline engines burn fuel, how hybrids integrate with internal combustion, and how driving engagement can survive in a world increasingly shaped by emission regulations. The revolutionary Skyactiv Z engine 2027. Here's a deep expert breakdown of what Mazda is building and why it matters. The revolutionary Skyactiv Z engine 2027. The Skyactiv Z engine represents the next chapter after Skyactiv G and Skyactiv X. Mazda engineers describe it as the pursuit of Lambda 1 combustion. A precise air-fuel mixture L equals 1 that maximizes efficiency while minimizing emissions. Ideal combustion. The Lambda 1 strategy. In simple terms, L equals 1 means the engine runs at the chemically perfect ratio of air to fuel. Most gasoline engines fluctuate above or below this ideal mixture depending on load and driving conditions. That variability reduces efficiency and increases emissions. Mazda's Skyactiv Z aims to maintain near-perfect combustion across a broader range of engine speeds and loads. Achieving this consistently is extremely difficult. It requires ultra-precise fuel injection timing, advanced combustion chamber design, improved airflow management, and sophisticated engine control software. According to combustion experts, maintaining L equals 1 under real-world driving conditions dramatically reduces NOx emissions and particulate output while improving thermal efficiency. In other words, cleaner exhaust without sacrificing power. This is how Mazda plans to meet strict Euro 7 and LEV 4 standards without relying exclusively on battery power. So, let's talk about the real-world engineering challenges Mazda faced. Developing this kind of advanced combustion system, well, it required years of research, countless prototypes, and honestly, a lot of trial and error. Mazda's engineers had to balance efficiency, emissions, and drivability, all while making sure the engine could be mass-produced reliably. It's not just about making it work in the lab, it's about making it work for millions of drivers, every single day. SPCI technology, where gasoline meets diesel. Skyactiv Z builds on Mazda's spark-controlled compression ignition, or SPCI system, which was first introduced in Skyactiv X engines. SPCI actually blends two combustion concepts, traditional spark ignition like most gasoline engines, and compression ignition like you find in diesel engines. Here's how it works. First, the engine compresses a lean air-fuel mixture. Second, a spark plug initiates a controlled mini-explosion. Third, that pressure spike triggers full compression ignition across the chamber. The result is diesel-like efficiency and torque, but with gasoline smoothness and higher rev capability. Automotive engineers often describe SPCI as one of the most technically sophisticated combustion systems currently in production. It allows extremely lean mixtures while maintaining stable ignition, something conventional gasoline engines really struggle to achieve. Skyactiv Z refines this concept even further, expanding its operating window and improving responsiveness. Hybrid integration is built in, not just bolted on. The debut of the next-generation Mazda CX-5 in 2027 marks a big moment. The first production vehicle expected to receive the Skyactiv Z engine is, in fact, the next-generation Mazda CX-5. The redesigned CX-5 is anticipated to arrive in late 2026 as a 2027 model year vehicle. This SUV is Mazda's global bestseller, making it the ideal launch platform for a transformative powertrain. Industry analysts see this as a pretty strategic move. Launching new combustion technology in a high-volume crossover ensures maximum real-world data collection, faster return on research and development investment, and broad consumer exposure. Following the CX-5, Skyactiv Z technology is expected to expand across other Mazda models. Alright, so let's talk about the upcoming 2027 Mazda CX-5. While details are still a bit under wraps, this model is generating a lot of buzz, especially as it builds on Mazda's recent innovations and sets the stage for some really exciting changes in the lineup. The 2026 model year really highlights the transition phase for Mazda, while the Skyactiv Z system is set to headline in 2027. For now, the 2026 models are all about refining those existing powertrains. For example, the third-generation Mazda CX-5 is launching in spring 2026 with a refined 2.5-liter Skyactiv Z engine, and that's before the hybrid variant even arrives. We're expecting improvements in friction reduction, combustion stability, and of course the usual focus on reducing noise, vibration, and harshness, along with better transmission calibration. Most experts agree that Mazda is using 2026 as a bridge year, basically strengthening its current lineup while getting consumers ready for the more advanced, hybridized Skyactiv Z system that's right around the corner. Now, moving on to the 2026 model highlights, there's definitely a lot to look forward to. The CX-50 hybrid is getting a lot of attention, and it looks like Mazda is really doubling down on making their vehicles more efficient and, honestly, just more enjoyable to drive. So, the 2026 Mazda CX-50 hybrid. This model pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, and together they produce roughly 219 horsepower. You can expect around 38 miles per gallon combined, which is pretty impressive for a crossover. For a lot of buyers, this is Mazda's first meaningful step toward electrified efficiency, but, without giving up that sporty driving feel the brand is known for. Engineers have mentioned that balancing off-road capability, efficiency, and that responsive handling in a hybrid crossover, well, it's not exactly simple. Mazda's expertise in chassis tuning really plays a major role here. The rotary engine is making a comeback, but this time as a range extender. So Mazda's iconic rotary engine is evolving. Instead of using it as a high-revving sports car engine, Mazda is now adapting the rotary as a compact range extender for electric vehicles. The rotary engine brings some unique advantages to this role. It's compact, operates smoothly, is lightweight, and can run at a consistent RPM for better efficiency. In this setup, the rotary doesn't actually drive the wheels directly. Instead, it generates electricity to recharge the battery whenever it's needed. Experts are saying that this solves one of the rotary's historic weaknesses, poor fuel economy under variable loads, by keeping it operating in a narrow, optimized, efficiency band. This approach lets Mazda preserve its engineering heritage while also meeting modern environmental demands. Meeting Euro 7 and LEV4 standards. Meeting Euro 7 and LEV4 standards. So, upcoming Euro 7 and LEV4 regulations dramatically tighten emission limits, especially during cold starts and in real-world driving conditions. Automotive compliance specialists, they note that many manufacturers are choosing to discontinue certain internal combustion engines because honestly, redesigning them to meet these standards is just too costly. But Mazda is taking the opposite approach. Skyactiv Z's precise combustion control, cleaner exhaust profile, hybrid integration, and advanced after-treatment systems. These are all engineered specifically to satisfy these future regulations. In practical terms, Mazda believes internal combustion can survive, but only if perfected, really defying industry trends. The broader industry narrative suggests internal combustion is, nearing its end. Major automakers are committing billions to EV platforms, but Mazda's strategy is a bit more nuanced. Instead of going all in on full electrification right away, Mazda is investing in highly efficient gasoline engines, strong hybrid systems, select EV offerings, and flexible platform engineering. Industry analysts describe this as a multi-solution pathway. It spreads risk across technologies, rather than betting entirely on battery supply chains and charging infrastructure development. For smaller automakers, this measured approach may actually prove financially smarter.